So one of the things that I've really liked about being on this cruise is all the artwork
Oh,
that is around the ship, hidden everywhere. It's in all the stairwells. Like there's this magnificent sort of overlaid cartoon piece behind us right now. All the hallways have inspirational images.
there's sculptures. There's like, what do you call those? Like the tin artworks. There is, oh my gosh, all the different beautiful chandeliers, but then lit up in LED lights. It's
LED light screens that are part of the artwork. There's just so many things. It's just absolutely amazing. So, really quite impressive just how much artwork there is. It really just adds to the whole experience here on
so well done.
on this ship, like on Quantum. It's at Royal Caribbean, like just not seen anything like it
No.
on any of the ships we've been on before, and yeah, really just something nice. So when you're on Quantum of the Seas or any of these Royal Caribbean ships, definitely take a wander around, find some time to take a look around the ship, look at all the different sculptures, the different LED screen displays, and all those sort of things. And yeah, because I think you'll really enjoy it. And even as you're going through the hallways, as I said as well, those little inspirational messages that you find very cool.
Yeah, no, it's great. So enjoy that when you come on.